Hello everyone. Let's analyze what happened exactly in the market today. In the morning, after pre-market session, market opened above yesterday's closing at around 24,073. So this opening was in between previous day's high and previous day's low. So when the market opened between the previous day's high and previous day's low, the sellers who shorted their positions here, they started unwinding. Whoever had sold yesterday from 24,150, they started unwinding their positions. So market slowly and gradually it broke 24,150, and when it broke 24,150, rest of the sellers who were waiting for market reaction, even they started closing of their positions. So in the options terminology, when the puts, the guys who bought puts, they sold their puts. That caused this intense reaction of buying from 24,100 to 24,300. At the swing high, there was a profit booking of this buying, initial profit booking, and slowly new buyers entered over here, expecting market to go further high. But the profit booking, most of the buyers who bought here, they exited the positions here by selling their positions, and the new buyers entered here, and market manipulated a bit higher, taking out this swing high, and it sold more. And the buyers who are participating, they started exiting the market at 12:45. There were only After 12:45 there was only selling in the market, and no new buyers were interested to buy at this premium price. At this premium price. So the buyers who bought here, this region, the buyers who bought the price at this region, they were buying at a premium price. So once market took out the buy side liquidity of the swing high, it immediately had a change of character and sold out. Sold out to which level? The level which it broke in the morning. There was a break of structure in the morning, so market started selling from 24,300, and it sold till the break of structure that happened in the morning, because there was a huge imbalance here. There were only buying happening here, and the sellers were lagging. So in order to fill that imbalance, market sold back. Now an interesting point is, on a closing basis, market was unable to break today's low. On a closing basis, market is unable to close today's low. So today's low was this one. This is the today's low, and this was the closing. So market couldn't close below today's low. There hasn't been a brief selling, but that selling couldn't bring the market below today's low. So we should be curious to understand where market is going to open tomorrow, because tomorrow is the expiry of Sensex. So if market manages to break this low tomorrow, we need to see, as per the price action, which direction it takes, or if it sustains to gap up tomorrow, we need to see if market once again tries to go further higher, crossing 24,400. So tomorrow's market is going to be purely on the basis of where market is going to open and how market is going to initially plan its price action for the first couple of hours. Okay, so please remember, it has already sold at a higher level. Okay, market always tries to sell at a higher level, so it accomplished that part today. So and tomorrow is a Sensex expiry and day after tomorrow is a holiday, because day after tomorrow it's a Maharashtra day, or it's a May day overall. So there's a stock market holiday on May 1st. So we have only one session tomorrow. So let us see where market opens. Will market be able to access this sell side liquidity, or will market break another break of structure, breaking this high? Um, let's see how it turns around tomorrow. Catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.